This is Coffee Time Creativity Kit from Alton New. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. Coffee, or even tea and friends, definitely make the perfect blend. Create cards for friends or even other projects with a heartwarming beverage feel. This kit includes Tea Time Stamp and Die Bundle, Coffee Love Stamp and Die Bundle, and 12 espresso envelopes. Having both the stamp and the die for both of the stamp sets really cuts down on fussy cutting time. There is also an inspiration guide included to inspire you and kickstart your creativity. For more information about Coffee Time Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altonnew.com.